Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn to simplify expressions by collecting like terms. We've got 3 success criteria, and the first one is to be able to collect like terms. So in an algebraic expression, the parts separated by positive or negative signs are called terms of the expression. So in this example, 5x is a term, minus 2y is a term, and minus 3 is a term. The number part, the bit including the sign, is called the coefficient. The letters can be assigned different values, so they are called variables. And the term, such as minus 3, has no variable, so it's called a constant term. Like terms are terms whose variables, letters, are all the same. The identity symbol, which is 3 lines, means that no matter what numbers you substitute in place of the letters, both sides will be the same. So we want to simplify 3x plus 2y plus x plus y. This means we add the x's together and we add the y's together. So we've got 3x and we're going to add x. So we use the identity symbol, and 3x plus x would be 4x. 2y plus another y would be 3y. You can think about it as how many x's you have and how many y's you have. You've got 3 x's and you add another x, so you've now got 4 x's. You had 2 y's and you added another y, so you've now got 3y. Remember to circle the sign as well as the letter, so you always use the sign that's in front of the number. And if there's no sign in front of a term, then it must be positive. This time we want to simplify 4x minus 2y minus x minus 3y. So we circle the like terms, so we start by circling the x's. So we've got 4x and we're taking away an x. So we've got 4x and we take away an x, so we've got 3 x's left. Here we've got minus 2y minus 3y. So think about your number line. You've got minus 2 and you're going down 3 places. So that takes you to minus 5. So the answer is minus 5y. So use a number line to help if you struggle with your negative numbers. In this example, again, we're going to collect the like terms. So we've got 2x and we're adding another x. So that's 3x. Then we've got a positive 2, take away 3. Now 2 take away 3 is minus 1. So the answer is 3x minus 1. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So for this one, we identify the like terms. So you've got 9a and you're taking away 2a. Remember to always use the sign in front of the number. So that means that's 7a. Now you've got minus 2b plus 3b, plus 6b, sorry, which is positive 4b. Remember to think about your number line. You start on minus 2 and you go forwards, so you go up the number line 6 places. So that takes you to 4. So the answer is positive 4b. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. There's your red answers. There's your purple answers. There's your blue answers. And there's your pink answers. So the greens made sheep. The ambers made pig. The reds made hen. The purples made dog. The blues made cow. And the pinks made horse. So now we've completed success criteria 1. We're going to move on to number 2, and this is to collect like terms involving indices. So again, we need to collect the like terms. Now we can't add x's and x squareds together. They're different terms. So we look at the x squareds first. So we've got 6x squared, and we're taking away 3x squared. So 6 take away 3 is 3. So we've got 3x squareds. Then we do the x's separately. So we've got minus 2x, take away 5x. So you start on minus 2 and you go down the number line 5 places. So that's minus 7x. Remember, you don't need to change any of the powers when you're adding and subtracting them. So here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So this is what we should have done. We've got 5x squared, and we add 2x squared. So that's 7x squared. Then we've got 3xy, and we take away an xy. So we've now got 2xy. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. So now we've completed success criteria 2. So we're going to move on to number 3. And this is to apply collecting like terms to perimeter. So perimeter means the total distance around the outside of the shape. So to find the perimeter, you add all the sides together. So if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, we need to add all the sides together, even the missing sides. So the perimeter would be 14 centimeters. We can do this with algebra as well. So we need to add all the sides together. So we've got a plus b plus another a plus another a plus b. So we add all the a's together and we add all the b's together. So the answer is 4a plus 2b. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 3. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the other videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.